Next, we have the Wolfhard study number 26. This piece is mostly on the third position. So being comfortable playing on third position is probably our top priority. I would recommend practicing some scales on third position and maybe take out a measure or two and do some slow practice. So slow practice is when you play it under tempo, like half tempo or even slower than half tempo, to make sure you have great intonation, great sound, check your posture, and then you gradually speed up to the tempo that you want it. The last thing is to try to always play with a great sound, steady tempo. Try not to slow down when it gets harder and speed up when it gets faster. Have fun practicing. Thank you.